Hi, this is Kate. I'd like to show you a new feature that's coming to your student Google account, and that's called a shared drive. If you go to your Google Drive, which you can get to from the waffle, you'll notice this shared drives option here on the left, right below My Drive. When you click on shared drives for the first time, it'll look like this. You won't see anything there. A shared drive is just what it says here. It's a place for teamwork. It's another way to organize files. You can use shared drives in Google Drive to store, search, and access files with a team. Shared drive files belong to the team instead of an individual. So if you'd like to create a shared drive to work on a project with a group of students, click Create a Shared Drive. Here you'll want to give it a name. Here I'll call this one Team Project Semester 1. And I'll click Create. Now you'll see at the top the name of my shared drive, and that right now there's only one person in this drive. That's me. I can add people and I can add files. The first thing I'm going to do is to create a file in this shared drive. To do that, I'm going to click the New button, and I'll select a Google Doc for this one. Now, let's say I want this document to be a planning document where my teammates and I will plan our project together. So I'm going to title this document Planning. Now I'm going to head back to my drive. If I click on My Drive, I won't see that planning document that I just created because that document does not belong to me. I will only find it in my shared drive as it now belongs to this team. I'll click on this shared drive, double click to open, and now I see that planning document there. Now I'm going to want to add some people to this shared drive so that they will also see my planning document. To do that, I'll click Manage Members. To add a person, I just type their name here. Select their name from the drop-down below. And next, choose their role. If you want them to be able to add, edit, move, and delete files, I recommend making them a content manager. That's the role you'll want for the people in your team to collaborate on these documents together. When you have the Notify People box checked, this will send a message to anyone you've added here, letting them know that they are now a member of this drive. You can add a message if you'd like, and then click Send. Anyone you add to the drive will have access to all files in that drive. You can add docs, spreadsheets, slide decks. Any different type of file you want to add in here will be accessible by any members of the team. Keep in mind that any documents and artifacts added to your shared drive will be scanned for inappropriate content, so please use responsibly. Thanks for watching.